Alright, today we're going to build two 1977 Pontiac Firebirds, but one I'm building, this one, and this one my dad's going to build, so double build. Got body, here's the frame, interior, some frame parts, body parts, seats, steering wheel, and wheel parts, got the hood and motor parts, suspension and exhaust system parts, more engine parts and body parts, dash and body part. Pretty sure that's what that is, body part. And then we got the front end to the car. We got the chrome. And then we got tires. Axle. Got the windshield and the back for the taillights. Here's the decals. And there's the directions. I'll be building it gold. My dad's gonna be building it red. Okay, here's the paints and some things I'll be using. A primer, because we're gonna primer everything. Gloss black for frame and maybe interior. For gold for the body for my Pontiac. And red for my dad's Pontiac. Here's the glue. And then we'll be using this. This is a gloss dark blue for the engine. And this is like if we need to go back and do some touch-ups on the engine. Another gloss dark blue. Aluminum. Some flat black if we need some. Hobby knife. Chrome Sharpie. My trusty pliers. And this razor blade knife if we need to sometimes. Alright, see ya when we come back. Okay, here's the interior and the bodies before paint job. Gold, red, and then whatever. Okay, here's what it looks like being blackwashed. Okay, this is what they look like primered. And then I'll show you what they look like painted. And then when we come back, we'll do some black washing, show you what black washing looks like. Okay, right here is what my dad's car looks like. Pretty nice, isn't it? Okay, we'll see whenever I show you my car. Okay, here look what mine looks like. This is a dark yellow, and it looks more closer to a gold car that's in the intro to Full House. And that's going across the bridge. Because the gold we did interior. I didn't get a chance to show you, but we didn't like how it looked. Okay, here's what everything looks like painted. There's mine being blackwashed, and then here's the motor. Now we're going to get into the build of the motor first. Okay, now I'm going to do some aluminum painting on the dry shaft, the manifolds, and the exhaust system. Okay. Now for the exhaust system. Okay. Those dry. Now we're going to do the manifolds real quick. And then we'll get on to build the motor. I guess that would look good enough. Okay. See ya. Okay. Now we'll start putting on the chrome parts. First, we're going to start with one of the valve covers. Okay. There's one of them. And then here's the other one. Give it a better one. Okay. Now test fit. Now roughly what it'll look like. Give these a second to dry, and I'll guess that'll be fine. I guess we can put it on now. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And give these a little bit more to dry. And when we come back, we'll have them on. Okay, build update. Got the motor put in. There's air cleaner, radiator wall. There's the suspension. There's interior shifter in. I'll put the dash in. Steering wheel. Firewall, the metal axle, and then the tires. And I'll show you right before the complete build of the car. And then I'll show you the car. See ya. Okay, build update. I got all the stuff on the body, like building parts wise. Now ready to be put on the frame. So when we come back, the car will be completely done. So what I got left to do is put the car on the body. Put this on, that goes right here. Put the radiators in. And put these exhaust tips on. And decals, and then I'm done. My dad's taking a little bit longer. So, alright. When we come back, I'm pretty sure this car will look very nice. Okay, my car's done. Completely done. Here's what it looks like. Done. The taillights are in, but you can barely see them. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's up underneath the car. I forgot to do it on the other two I built on the channel. There's the interior. And then now, there's the motor. No, my dad's Pontiac is not done. So I'll make another video of it continue being built, and then the finished project. It won't be a very long video though. Okay, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and suggest maybe some builds I should do. Okay, see you in the next video. And I guess I forgot to show you the spray can, but this is a dark yellow is what we use to spray paint my car.